Peter, today a dead body appeared near my workplace. It was a client that told me yesterday that I had a beautiful smile, so. Look at me and swear you had nothing to do with it. Wait a second. What the fuck?
I, Peter, your boyfriend, swear that I.